Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a tax return for overseas Pakistanis. First, understand your tax residency status with the Federal Board of Revenue. If you are a non-resident, your tax obligations differ significantly. Generally, income earned outside Pakistan is exempt from Pakistani taxes, simplifying your filing process. Focus on income generated within Pakistan. Next, identify your taxable income. Any income originating from sources within Pakistan, such as rental property or business profits, is typically subject to tax. However, foreign remittances sent to Pakistan are usually exempt. Be aware that agricultural income within Pakistan might have specific rules, so it is important to understand these nuances for accurate reporting. To begin filing, ensure you have your national tax number and all relevant income details ready. The Federal Board of Revenue provides an online portal for convenient e-filing. Navigate through the portal, accurately input your information, and submit your tax return. Remember to complete this process before the specified deadline to avoid any late penalties. Finally, for complex tax situations, consider seeking professional advice from a qualified tax consultant. Tax laws can change, so staying updated on the latest regulations from the Federal Board of Revenue is crucial. Always ensure accurate and complete reporting of your income to avoid any potential penalties or issues with your tax compliance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.